Hello, I'm Assistant Commonwealth's Attorney Dan Laren here once again with the case of the week. The University of Kentucky has thousands and thousands of loyal fans who fill Rupp Arena and Commonwealth Stadium to cheer for the Wildcats. Unfortunately, UK has some other people that are loyal to it for different and worse reasons. One such individual is a gentleman by the name of Ronald Jones. In March of 2010, Ronald Jones was serving felony time in the state prison system for crimes including burglary, theft, and fraudulent use of a credit card. He received the privilege of parole and was released to Fayette County to be supervised here in Lexington. Criminal records show that Jones is 44 years of age, that he has 17 prior convictions, 7 misdemeanors, and 10 felonies for crimes like burglary, theft, trespass, fraudulent use of a credit card, and possession of forged instruments. He has violated the terms of parole twice, been sent back to prison. He has violated the terms of probation twice and been sent to the penitentiary to serve his sentence. He's been given access to job training, Narcotics Anonymous, Alcoholics Anonymous, and the Fayette County Drug Court program. Well, in April of 2010, less than 3 weeks after he was paroled, he pled guilty to criminal trespass and served 3 days in the Fayette County Detention Center. On July 5th of 2010, Jones once again showed his loyalty to the University of Kentucky by being arrested and charged with fraudulent use of a credit card. The investigation revealed that the victim had called the UK police after she saw her purse had been stolen, and that the suspect, Ronald Jones, had used her credit card immediately after it was stolen to run up a $3,000 tab on a shopping spree up Nicholasville Road, places like Red Lobster, Speedway, Kmart, and other merchants in that area. He was arrested, charged with these felony offenses, and his case progressed through the system. On July the 17th, the district court judge reduced his bond to $1,000 full cash, which was posted, and he was released from custody. On September the 25th of 2010, once again, the University of Kentucky Police Department responded to a call on campus. It was a 911 call from an employee at one of the office buildings who heard some breaking glass. The police responded. They found Jones inside the building carrying a hammer and a screwdriver, which he was using to break windows so he could get into the offices there, and a variety of stolen property, including a backpack, some lab uniforms, some laboratory equipment, things of that nature. He was arrested, charged with the burglary, interviewed, and he confessed to a string of burglaries on the UK campus. The property damage and lost personal items and items that belonged to UK totaled over $26,000 in this particular case. In August of 2011, Jones pled guilty to burglary, fraudulent use of a credit card, and persistent felony offender, and was sentenced to serve 13 years in the penitentiary. He's presently lodged in Roederer Correctional Complex in LaGrange. He'll be eligible for parole in May of 2013. His sentence is set to run in June of 2022. Now, the legislature makes a lot of noise about the costs of incarceration, and they do this to justify the changes they make in the criminal law. We'd like the legislature to consider the cost of letting people like Ronald Jones back into the community, because in this case, it was almost $30,000 of property damage, lost personal items, lost items belonging to the University of Kentucky, and more importantly, the loss of security and safety for the people that work at the University of Kentucky. I'm Assistant Commonwealth's Attorney Dan Laren, and this is the case of the week.